How to use LinkedIn effectively, getting the best from the world's biggest networking site. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional networking platform. It's also one of the most social media network with 756 million members. That's a lot of potential contacts. 9 ways to get the best from LinkedIn. Complete your LinkedIn profile. Your profile can be a powerful part of your personal brand. A registered LinkedIn user will be able to view it unless you set it to private mode. You can also have a public profile that can be found by external search engines so that even people who are not registered with LinkedIn can see it. LinkedIn international search only find profiles that rank as complete, and these can get more than 20 times and many views as complete profile. It's important therefore to complete yours. Here are essential things to remember. Add a good quality photo of yourself, preferably one taken by a professional photographer. Look smart, smile, and don't have any distractions in the shot. Make your profile sparkle by adding a background image, sometimes called a banner or cover image, that reflects your personality and your profession. Mention your industry and location in your headline. You have up to 120 characters of this. Include a concise summary of who you are, what you do, and what you have to offer. You have 2000 characters to play with, but you don't have to use them all. You can also link to or upload 6 examples of your work to make your profile sparkle. Add your current position and describe what it involves. Be specific. Don't say, for example, that you are a great communicator, even if you are one. Instead, give detail of your communication skills and examples of how you have used them. Again, you have 2000 characters. Add your previous work history, education detail, and at least 4 skills or areas of expertise. Contact and connect with other LinkedIn users. LinkedIn enable you to network with people and professional organizations in your industry. This is a great way to stay up to date with the latest development and to share information with others in your field. You can invite anyone to connect and accept their invitation to connect with you, but they must have their own LinkedIn account to use the site. LinkedIn saves the connection that you make to a list called My Network. When you make a new connection, you gain access not only to that person's profile but to their publicly available connection. To these become your second degree connection. This open up even more networking opportunities, and you can then invite them to connect directly with you. You can also introduce any two LinkedIn connection who have not yet connected to one another but who might benefit from doing so. Start talking. You have made your connection on LinkedIn. The messaging facility allows you to have real time conversation with them. The active status feature tells you which of your connection are online. Look out for the green dot beside their profile picture, and the smart replies function short automatically generated contextual responses such as what time and great thanks can help to keep your conversation quick and productive. If you have a premium account, you can also use InMail. This allows you to send private messages to any LinkedIn member without any prior introduction and additional contact information.